Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GVSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, after today's price movement, basically got confirmation that there's essentially two lines that matter most, and I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part. I'm not trying to come across like I have a great talent. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching these levels, and I go through all that because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce some very dynamic movements, and that's, like I said, what we have going on with each of these levels. So the first level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, and rightfully so, it's an important area, is right down here at that level of 0.038. You can see over the course of the past several days, many times, generally speaking, the price has been down around that area, and it's done a fantastic job of holding strong. So while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is this. It's more than valid, it's more than rational to think that if the price were to come down to that area and then break down through it, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but a rational thought to have. On the flip side of things, the level that every breakout play and their brother's uncle is going to be watching, right up there at 0.046. So we'll change that to red for resistance. And again, same logic, nothing's guaranteed, but certainly more than valid to think that if the price were to get back up to that area and then push up through it, that break in and of itself could definitely create quite a bit of upwards buying pressure, because some people are just going to buy, well, hey, just because it's a breakout, so therefore I'm supposed to buy a breakout. So those are going to be the two main levels to watch very closely. 0.046, main level of resistance. 0.038, main level of support. So let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.